Let me take you on a tour of the water-soluble fertilizer production line. Designed for efficiency, the lump breaker feeding port ensures the smooth transfer of caked materials to the breaker, effectively preventing blockages and maintaining stable equipment operation. The urea crusher feeding port features a robust structure that can withstand large capacity feeding while effectively minimizing dust generation during the feeding process. The mixer efficiently and uniformly blends multiple fertilizer components, with a high-performance agitator blade design that ensures even nutrient distribution. The dust collector plays a crucial role in significantly reducing airborne dust particles, effectively capturing dust generated throughout the production process and ensuring a clean and safe working environment. The packaging machine automatically bags the finished fertilizer, improving packaging speed and weighing accuracy, while accommodating various bag types and weights. Follow me